Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to view your saved passwords in Google Chrome. To start off with, you need to open up Google Chrome, and once you have, you need to go to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on the menu button. You now need to go down to settings, and once you're on settings you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click advanced. Once Advanced has opened, you now need to keep scrolling down until you find Manage Passwords. You now need to click on this, and then you will get a list of all your usernames and passwords for every site you have logged in on and saved your login details. As you can see here, I have got Twitch and my username is Test. If I now click on this eye, it will show the password for this site. As you can see, my password is Test as well, and it really is as easy as that. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.